Minasan, konnichiwa. Kishi desu. This is asking for direction in Japanese. Hello everyone, this is Casey, and for today's video, we will learn how to ask for direction in Japanese, and this is going to be useful when traveling to Japan. Everyone's ready? Let's start!
Let's start with the question, where is the blank? In Japanese, we say, nani nani wa doko desu ka? Nani nani wa doko desu ka? But of course, we can always say, sumimasen at the beginning of this phrase in order for us to sound more polite. And remember, sumimasen means excuse me. Let's break down the sentence. Wa is the topic marker, and then second, we have doko, which means where. And then of course, we have desu, which is our be verb. And lastly, ka, which makes our sentence a question. Let's see the following examples. First, where is the bathroom? How do we say this in Japanese? We will say first the place that you are asking for, and it is the bathroom or toilet. In Japanese, it is toire. So to complete the sentence, we have toire wa doko desu ka? Toire wa doko desu ka? And to sound more polite, we say, sumimasen, toire wa doko desu ka? Second example, we have, where is the bank? Do you remember how we say bank in Japanese? It is ginko. And with that, we can now complete the sentence. Ginko wa doko desu ka? Ginko wa doko desu ka? Third example is, where is the train station? And train station in Japanese is eki. So to complete, it is eki wa doko desu ka? But if you want to be more specific, let's say you want to go to Shinjuku Station, we can say Shinjuku eki wa doko desu ka? And then next, we will differentiate koko, soko, and asoko. First, we have koko, which means here. Please see the illustration below. Chihiro is the speaker and Haku is the listener. So when we say koko, it means that the speaker is referring to where he or she is. Again, koko means here. As for soko, which means there, please see the illustration. Chihiro is still the speaker, and so as Haku as the listener. When we say soko, the speaker is referring to the place where the listener is. And also, this could mean that the place is a bit far from both the listener and the speaker. That is soko, meaning there. Lastly, we have asoko, which means over there. Let's take a look at again the illustration in which Chihiro and Haku is still the speaker and listener respectively. So for asoko, they are referring to the location of the place which is far from them or is over there. That is why it is asoko.
So basically, sa language natin, yung koko, soko, and asoko, koko, dito. And then yung soko, diyan. And then yung asoko naman is doon. So, yun yung interpretation sa language natin.
And then we would like to ask, how can I get to blank? In Japanese, we say, nani nani ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? So, medyo mahaba tong phrase na to, no? So, ulitin natin. Nani nani ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? Se no, mo ichido. Nani nani ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? So, to break this phrase, we have first the particle ni, which is used to indicate a specific location. We will discuss this further on our topic about Japanese particles. But for now, try to remember the ni particle in this phrase. Second, we have wa as our topic marker. And then do means how or in what way. And then yatte is a verb meaning to do. And the root word is yaru. Also, we have the verb ikimasu, which means to go. And the root word is iku. We'll further elaborate these verbs when we discuss the Japanese verb and the conjugation. So stay tuned for that. To continue, lastly, we have ka that is added to form a question. We will have the following examples. First, we ask, how can I get to Shibuya? And then, in Japanese, we say, Shibuya ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? Shibuya ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? Second example, we are going to Akihabara. And we ask, how can I get to Akihabara? Can you try to say this in Japanese? Akihabara ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? Se no, mo ichido. Akihabara ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? Lastly, we will ask, how can I get to Odaiba? And in Japanese, it is Odaiba ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? Odaiba ni wa dou yatte ikimasu ka? These are some direction words that you might encounter. First, migi means right. And to turn right, it is migi ni magaru. Migi ni magaru. Second, hidari means left. And to turn left, it is hidari ni magaru. Hidari ni magaru. Third, we have masugu means straight. And to go straight, it is masugu susumu. Masugu susumu. Other term would be mae, which means front. Next, ushiro means back or behind. Kado means corner or edge. Tonari means next to. Shingoki means traffic light. And then lastly, we have michi means street or road.
So ayun, sana nakasunod kayo sa topic natin for today. And sana ma-apply nyo to pag nagpunta kayo ng Japan or kaya naman kung may kakausapin kayong Japanese. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And you can share then if you want. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck! Gambate kudasai! Arigatou gozaimasu! Bye-bye! じゃあね